Hello learners, welcome back. And today we have come to a new topic called as operators available in the C programming language. And in this video, we'll learn more in detail about the arithmetic operators. So to begin with, we'll learn about the definition of the operators. The operators are the symbols that represent some operations that are to be performed on one or more operands. The mathematical operations may be arithmetic, relational, assignment, logical, or bitwise computations on the operands. So for example, C is equal to A plus B. Here A and B are the operands and plus is the operator. The types of operators are arithmetic, relational, assignment, logical, and bitwise operators. We learn about the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators, it perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo operations on the numerical values that may be constants or variables. And the modulo operator, it computes the remainder. And this operator, it only works with the integer data type. The arithmetic operators are further classified as unary operators and binary operators. The unary operators operates on single operand. For example, A plus plus. So A is the only operand and A plus plus means A is equal to A plus 1. And binary operators operate on two operands. Here C is equal to A plus B. A and B are the two operands and plus is the operator. So now we'll learn about the arithmetic operators. Hash include std io.h, void main, int A, I'm assigning the value to be 15. B, I'm assigning the value to be some 3. And I'm declaring a variable C to store the answer. So it is C is equal to A. I'll try with division. And I'm printing the value C. Before that, we'll give and save it. So this is the arith.c hyphen o arith. Arith. Suitable file name is arith. So the answer is 15 divided by 3 is 5. Now I'm again declaring a variable d. And here I'm going to find the modulo operator. I'm trying with the modulo operator. A modulo B F percentage Okay, I'll save the code I'm again trying to execute it. See the modulo 0. 0 is the remainder for 15 divided by 3. So hope you are clear with the concepts of the arithmetic operators, and we'll see about the remaining operators in the other session. Thank you.